Here's how to get Snapchat on the Apple Store. The first thing that you need to do is search Snapchat on the Apple Store. And then afterwards, what you need to do is go ahead and scroll down and see if it is available on different varieties of Apple. As you can see, it is available on Apple Watch. This is the feature where you go ahead and install the Snapchat to the Apple Watch. But of course, this will only work if you just go ahead and install Snapchat to your Apple phone. Once you have already installed the Snapchat, go ahead and look for your Apple Watch, and as you can see to the variety circle of apps, find Snapchat. Afterwards, click on the Snapchat. And then once you have already logged in, you will see there all the doings. If there's a message, click on reply and then click on dismiss. And you can also use a keyboard to reply to the Snapchat friend that has been messaged you. Smart and easy, just like using a phone.